Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about is Bowl Joy Day real or fake? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Bowl Joy Day is listed on the Google Play Store as a casual game where you pop balls and supposedly earn real money or rewards. It's rated around 4 stars, but a closer look at the reviews show a different story. Many users report that the app doesn't actually pay out, especially when they reach the cash out threshold. Instead, they get stuck watching endless ads or the payout suddenly disappears once they're close to earning. On top of that, there is no official company info, no support contact, and zero transparency about how or if rewards are actually processed. That's usually a red flag when it comes to so called earning money or earn money games. So, is Balljoy Day real or fake? The app works as a game, but if you're hoping to make real money, it's probably a waste of time. The reward system seems intentionally designed to lure users in with fake earnings and push as many ads as possible. For the bottom line, Balljoy Day is more of a fake rewards app than a legit way to earn cash. If you're just playing for fun, that's fine, but don't expect to cash out anything real. Have you tried Balljoy Day? Did you ever get paid or was it all just hype? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews on viral apps and online trends.